What's up everybody? Welcome to another V2 Lab video. Today's video is about the DJI Ronin S and basically just how I got it to work for me. Like how I got it, like I've gotten better cinematic movements, I've gotten just better functionality out of it, better use, and it was just a couple of little tips that I figured out, so I really wanted to share with you guys. But check out this video real quick of me getting my car aligned. So that entire video was shot on the Ronin S in 120 frames on my Canon EOS R, which I'm actually filming on, so I've mounted my Sony up here so you guys can see. I got these arms of the DJI arms. They're pretty sick. They work really well. They make the camera feel more like a Ronin, I mean not the camera, the gimbal feel more like a Ronin M and function that way. So I kind of wanted to run you guys through a little bit of my settings to help you guys get more cinematic movements and more cinematic, I guess, settings so that you can, you know, basically get yours to work as well as mine does now. Obviously, like, I'm not a professional at using this gimbal, but I have gotten professional quality out of it. I've done jobs with it, and it's really, really helped since I got the arms. So the arms came in this box. This is how you buy them. It's really just the two arms and the center section. Put the box on the ground. The center section just bolts in, and then these just clip on, 1, 2, and then there's another part on the back hand side so you can go into flashlight mode. Basically, they've just made the world of difference for me in using this thing. Because, you know, when you're basically supposed to use it always upright, and that's kind of how you make all your movements. So when you have the arms on the sides, it gives you a lot more mobility and a lot more, you know, just ease of use and ease of keeping it upright. The only complaint I had so far about these arms, though, is sometimes they come loose on the grips, but it's not super bad, and you just got to make sure you have them tightened down. So I figured out a trick on how to get this thing to work the way I want it to. And basically I want it to work like a Ronin M for the most part, where the camera kind of follows around, it always stays level, it's not rolling or doing anything crazy. First off, obviously, make sure you get excellent on your balance, as the screenshot shows. So what I did was I turned off the smooth track, but I left the push pan on for tilt and roll. Both of those are off in user mode 1. So that way, in my user mode 1, the camera's always upright, it's always level, horizontal, doesn't do anything crazy. My settings are as followed. It'll be on the screen right here. So if you'd like to follow along and try it out and see if they work for you, those are the settings I'm using. For user mode 2, I have the tilt also turned on, and here's the settings for those. Basically, when you go into user mode 2, which is the number 2 on the back of your thing, now the camera with the tilt mode on, smooth track for tilt on, the camera will now roll up and down. It's still not rolling still not going side to side, which is an issue that I see a lot of people who are using the Ronin S run into, where the camera starts to lean one way or lean the other. That's because the smooth track is on for the roll setting. If you wanted to do that, go ahead and turn it on. I just recommend it off. There's never a time where I'm really like looking to have like sideways footage. If you want to go into mode 3, you can leave that as your, you know, your normal roly-poly mode, where it just kind of goes around in circles and does all kinds of things. But you basically don't need that unless you're really, really artistically going to use that. But I hope these settings help. I mean, I really wanted to just kind of show you guys, and then I showed you in the beginning the implementation of what I've learned and how it worked for me in that situation. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I broke a lens literally trying to start filming this, and I don't know if this is going to come out good because I'm using my other lens, and I'm super not stoked on that. But please like, subscribe. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.